If you are part of a pipe fabrication team, you must know how to read the isometric drawing. And to read an isometric drawing, you must know the cardinal directions, east, west, north, south, and up and down directions. In every piping isometric drawing, the north direction is shown on the upper left of the drawing. Sometimes, we get confused with the other directions. I will show you a tip to remember all the directions easily. Even though it is not a great tip, it will be useful for beginners. Assume you are standing, facing to the north, you know, your back is to the south. Your right hand to the east direction, and the left hand to the west. And everyone knows the up and down directions. Let us read a simple drawing. The pipe comes up and goes to the east, that is your right hand direction. Then goes up and turns to the north direction. Thank you for watching.